Be aware to stop at red light and go at green. Take it easy when the yellow light is on. My car was smashed. Can you help me fix it? Don't worry, let me have a look. First, let's see what's going wrong. Oh no! The engine is not working. Let's repair. The wire is broken. Let's fix it. Ahem! Blow away the black smoke quickly. Connect the wire to corresponding position. Pour liquid into the correct tank. Install the gear and the car can get started. Wow, it's fixed! Great job! There's a dent on the car. Let's fix it. First, remove the items with a plier. Then, suck the dent out. Put on a proper steel plate. Not here. Give it another try. Then spray the steel plate with paint. Wow! The car is as good as a new one. Great job! The tire is flat. Let's change a new one. Let's jack up. Take off screws and remove the broken tire. Then put on the new tire. Install new screws and fasten the new tire. Not this one. Give it another try. The tire has been properly installed. Next, let's pump it up. The tire has been replaced. Great job! Great! It's all repaired. Last, let's decorate the car. Thanks for fixing my car.